Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDMS Tech. My name is Mohammad Abubakar. Today I am going to show you how to delete interface VLANs. So you have to take precautions while deleting the interfaces in the production network. So before deleting any interfaces in your production network, you must take a backup. So then you can proceed for the delete or remove the interface VLANs. So today I am going to show you how to delete, because usually once you go to the policy objects, if you delete policy also, it will not removable from the interfaces. It will show you, for example, if you go to here LAN port 2, if you right click, it is showing disable. You cannot click delete. You can see here it is hidden. So even if you go to the policy, firewall policy, if you delete this policy as well, it will not allow to remove. So I will show you how to delete. So before deleting any policy, you must take a backup, and also you have to check the firewall policy, and also DHCP server static routes. You have to check the static routes, and SD-WAN, IPsec VPN, security zone, switch controller, virtual IP, VIP address objects, administrative access. All things you have to check before proceeding for the removing VLANs. So you must take the action before doing these things. So we will delete now. uh, Go to policy. You can see firewall policies already here. So slowly you can remove the policies for the VLANs interfaces. Delete policy. Okay, and delete. Okay, you can delete policy. Before deleting policy, you can check which policy it is created for which PC and where it is going, what is the action it is taking. So you have to make sure everything, then after that you can proceed. Now I am going to interfaces. You can see here interfaces, there is already created VLAN 2, VLAN 3. If I click here, it is not giving still to delete. So only you can give click the edit. So now you can see here there is option here, references. You can click here on the one. You can see address, it is mentioned here address. So in the address VLAN 2 it is showing. So just delete this one. Okay, now close. Okay, and also now you can see HR IT. We just deleted for the IT, so you can, we remove the addresses for the IT, so just delete now. Okay, you can see here HR. Also we have to remove the address for this one. For example, if you go to addresses, you can see here it is available here in the addresses as well. This is the simple way to delete from here. If you right click, it is not showing to delete. If you click here, it will allow you to delete from here. Or else if you want to go to the address book directly, you can go to the addresses policy objects, and from their addresses you can see here interface subnets VLAN 3 available. So just right click and delete. Okay, now I shown you two ways how we can delete the interface VLANs. Now we can come here and LAN port 2 and right click. You can see it is also showing 0, so delete. Okay, now it is deleted all the VLANs from the interfaces, and also remove from the policy objects and policy addresses. So there is nothing to remove now. So these are the simple steps to remove the interface VLANs. You have to check in the address book. So each policy objects, if you make anything, it will store in the addresses also. If you make groups or users, PC1, PC2, or else anything, it will save here. So you can remove from here first of all, then you can remove from the interfaces and policy. I hope you understand how to remove this one. So before, and also I will show you one thing. Before the removing VLANs, I cross check the PC as well. See, you can see here, I tested internet. It was working fine. It was pinging to the net Google. Now if I type ping here, enter, you can see it will not ping. Why? Because we remove all the policies and we remove interfaces for the VLAN to network. So this is my VLAN to ITPC, so that's why it is not pinging. Destination host unreachable, request timed out. So these are the simple steps to remove the interfaces from VLAN interfaces. So I hope you understand this whole concept. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.